In the calm blue Pacific, a small, gentle-looking fish moves quietly through the reef. But with one breath, it can inflate into a spiked sphere, and within its body lies a toxin over 1,000 times stronger than cyanide. This is Fugu the pufferfish, fragile yet deadly, simple in appearance, yet feared across Asia. For centuries, Japan has turned this dangerous creature into a symbol of skill and prestige, where a single dish can cost hundreds of dollars, and a single mistake can be fatal. How did such a tiny fish become one of the world's most exclusive and risky delicacies? The answer begins here. Across the Pacific, more than 100 species of pufferfish drift quietly through coral reefs, small, slow, almost innocent. But the moment danger appears, they transform, inflating into a spiked ball and revealing the lethal secret inside them: tetrodotoxin, a nerve poison over 1,000 times stronger than cyanide, with no antidote. This contrast, gentle appearance, deadly power is what shaped Fugu's legend. For centuries, Japan treated this fish as both feared and revered. Samurai and nobles ate it as a test of courage. Governments banned it repeatedly, and yet its allure only grew stronger. Today, Fugu remains a cultural symbol prepared exclusively by highly trained chefs who spend years mastering its anatomy. A creature small enough to sit in your hand, yet influential enough to define a culinary tradition built on precision, trust, and controlled danger. To meet soaring demand, most fugu no longer come from the wild. Instead, they're raised in high-tech farms across Japan, China, and South Korea, facilities designed to control every second of their growth. Massive tanks with constant filtration recreate ocean currents. Specialized diets reduce the risk of toxin-producing microorganisms. Sensors and cameras track stress levels, because even small changes in light, noise, or water quality can cause the fish to inflate and injure themselves. Growing a single commercial fugu takes 2-3 years, requiring premium feed, oxygenated water, and precise temperature stability. This long, expensive process is a major reason the fish commands luxury-level prices. Modern farms resemble industrial labyrinths, rows of deep blue tanks operating like a perfectly synchronized system. But even in this controlled environment, Fugu remain unpredictable, fragile, and extremely costly to maintain. These farms are the hidden engine behind the billion-dollar Fugu industry. When Fugu reach market size, the most sensitive phase begins safely moving a fish that can kill with a single mistake. In the wild, handlers must avoid inflated bodies and exposed toxins. One careless grab can be fatal. On farms, the process is calmer but still demanding. Soft nets, gentle pumps, and oxygen-rich tanks keep the fish relaxed and intact, preventing stress or accidental poisoning. From there, refrigerated trucks transport the live Fugu in clear water tanks, valuable hazardous cargo that must be watched constantly. For farmers, this stage is a balance of caution and precision. Protect the fish, prevent contamination, and avoid the toxin hidden inside every one of them. The trip to the processing facility is short, but every second must be controlled. In a licensed Fugu facility, the real danger begins. Under bright white lights, only certified specialists trained for years are permitted to handle the fish. Their mission: remove every toxic organ without letting a single trace touch the edible meat. The liver, ovaries, and skin contain tetrodotoxin, strong enough to kill in minutes. One wrong cut can contaminate the fillet or endanger the worker. So every motion is slow, controlled, and practiced. Once the poisonous parts are safely sealed, the clean flesh is rinsed with cold, pressurized water, inspected under magnifiers, then vacuum-packed and flash-frozen. It's less a processing step and more a high-precision ritual, turning one of the world's deadliest fish into a dish safe enough for the world's finest restaurants. In Tokyo's elite restaurants, Fugu isn't simply served, it's performed. Licensed master chefs slice the translucent flesh into paper-thin petals, arranging them like chrysanthemums, a symbol of beauty and mortality. Silence often fills the table. Everyone knows that hours earlier, this fish still held lethal poison. Fugu appears in several refined forms: whisper-thin sashimi, steaming winter hot pot; crisp fried kara, age-rich shirako for seasoned diners. Each dish demands absolute precision. One mistake ruins the flavor, or worse, risks safety. That is why a full Fugu meal can cost hundreds of dollars. Guests are paying not for the meat, but for the mastery behind it. In Japan, eating fugu is a ritual of trust, a moment where tradition, danger, and craftsmanship meet on a single plate. From controlled farms to licensed kitchens, every step of Fugu's journey is built around one truth. This tiny fish can kill, yet it remains one of Japan's most prized delicacies. Its appeal lies in the contrast. Delicate meat, deadly toxin; ancient tradition, modern precision. Japan has transformed a dangerous species into a luxury dish defined by skill and discipline. But each slice carries a quiet reminder: nature's power is never fully tamed. Fugu isn't just food. It's a symbol of how beauty, risk, and curiosity continue to shape the way we eat.